Hello everyone, today I'll be talking you through setting up the PowerGate Arma through the web-based server. So as you can see, using PowerGate Arma you can send DMX, ArtNet or streaming ACN through already existing power lines. This here is our Dmx Sender and these two are our Dmx receivers. You can connect up to 100 Dmx receivers and 10 Dmx senders to one power circuit, making PowerGate Arma the perfect solution where wired or wireless DMX transmission is hindered or impossible. First things first, plugging up your devices. The first thing to do is to plug your Ethernet cable coming from your PC or console into the first device. This will be your Dmx Sender. The second most important thing to do is to make sure the internal Ethernet cables are correctly plugged inside the receivers. It is important to note that you're not changing the settings of the device plugged directly into your computer or console. It is the settings of the other devices that you are configuring at this stage. First, you need to configure your computer's IP settings. Select Ethernet, then select the properties, then select Internal Protocol version 4. This IP shown and subnet mask is an ideal IP and subnet mask for PowerGate. Now you've set up the IP settings, we're ready to configure the first device. Go to your web browser and type in the IP address of the first receiver that you will be setting up. Now select your receiver as out on whichever DMX port you are using. Then select Save Settings. Now your receiver is set up and ready to use. Now we will set up your Dmx Sender. As the same as we did before, type in the IP address of the device that will be your Dmx Sender and select the DMX port you will be using and select it to be in. As we did before, save the settings. From the web-based server you can also set up some more advanced settings as shown on the screen. You can also save settings from your device and then upload them at a later stage from the Profiles tab. From the Firmware tab, you can upload any new firmware we have sent you by uploading the file from Choose File, then select Upload Firmware and then reboot your device.